HelloNote is thrilled to introduce a new feature, Share Templates Globally. Therapists can now share their templates with other Office users, even if they're not affiliated, helping to bring the HelloNote community closer together. Ready to dive into the steps? Begin by heading to the settings found in the left sidebar. Then, select Evaluation Note Templates. This will direct you to the Note Templates page, where you can view a complete list of templates, including those you've created and those made by colleagues. Start by clicking the blue Create New Template button in the top right corner. Fill in the required template name and select your desired profile and case type. After completing all the fields, click Save. When a new template appears in the list, click the Actions button on the left and choose Share Globally. When you click, a confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen. This will remind users to strictly comply with HIPAA rules. It's important that the templates shared within the HelloNote community are free of any protected health information. After toggling the compliance check, click Yes. A blue globe icon will appear next to the newly created template, indicating that it is shared globally. Now, let's switch to a different user account in another Office and check out the template list. After logging in with a different user account, as shown by the current user info in the top right corner, we can see that the newly created template is shared globally from the previous user's account. We can use it for our patients, but we do not have the ability to change its sharing permissions. Modifying the sharing permissions of a template is straightforward. Switch back to the previous user account and Office, click on the Actions button, and select Unshare Globally. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation to unshare the template. Click Yes, and the blue globe icon next to the template will disappear immediately. Now, from our viewer account, refresh the page, and you'll see that the globe icon is no longer next to the template name. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to share and unshare templates globally. If you have any questions or concerns about using this feature, please feel free to reach out.